Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see all the in the title, we are doing a unboxing and this one is from Tory Burch. So anyways, I just cut it open so it's easier for me. Anyways, I have this big white card and this is the receipt, I believe. Okay, so this is the receipt and I got the Gemini link canvas mini bag. Let's do this together. So Fuji, it's the package is orange. Set that aside right here. So let me just take this out. It just says, thank you, we hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it, Tory Burch. So, oh my god. This is another bag. And this is the black one. I got the black one. Let's just open. When I got this, when I purchased this was on sale because the original price for this one was 100 something. Let me just pull that up real quick. So I ordered this bag around April 4th and I received it yesterday, which is on the 9th, so it's like 5 days shipping, and it's still on sale right now, which is the Gemini link canvas mini bag. The black one is on sale. The original price is $198 US and I only paid 99 plus, you know, tax. So I'm gonna try to click the color blue. The color blue is not on sale. The coastal pink is on sale. I'm looking at the website right now. The orange is not on sale, and the the gray is on sale. So the one that is on sale is the gray, black, and the coastal pink. So I picked up this. I was thinking about getting another tote bag, but I was like, I'm still happy with my tote bag that I got also from Tory Burch, the Ella tote bag. And if you haven't watched the unboxing, paper boxing, I will leave it in the description box below or somewhere in the screen. So all right, this is it. Just took the plastic out and it looks blue for some reason in the camera. I don't know why, but it's black first. I don't know why it looks blue in camera. So all right, let's, how do you, okay. All right, so let me, oh, okay, let me just take this off really quick. So I'm just gonna read the details real quick. So the Gemini link mini bag is made of matte coated canvas with a stripe down in the middle, right here in the middle, and a double link print, a nod to Tory's twins and her zodiac sign. I am a Gemini as well, so that's why I got this bag. It comes in a range of colors including blue yonder, available only at torybirch.com. So this one, it says fits all phone sizes, which we will see. Sizes up to iPhone 11 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Textured coated canvas, zipper closure, adjustable, removable crossbody strap with 31.1, which is 58 cm drop. I'll just put like the numbers, like the size for this in the screen. And so anyways, this is what I got. So I'm probably just gonna take this paper later because I'm too impatient to do that. It takes a long time. So what it says adjustable strap, and this is the zipper. It's gold right here. So I'm gonna like unzip it. There you go. Let me just take this out. I'll take this paper out here. Alright, so inside it has a slit, and I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Tory Burch right there. And let's see. So this is the tag. Yeah, the suggested retail is $198 US. I'm sorry for my nails, I have to cut that. But this is the black Gemini link, size 0S. Okay, so yeah, that's the bag. The interior is black as well. So the print says Tory Burch is white. It's really hard for you guys to see, but yeah, it's white, and there's like a little slit over there. That's it. And there's nothing too fancy inside. Like I said, it's just a black bag. It says made in Cambodia. Okay, so let's see. So I am 5'1" and I'm gonna try to, hold on, let me just put this strap real quick, because I already seen this in person at the Tory Burch, and I was like literally 50-50 when buying this one, because like I said, it's a small bag and it's like $198 US. And then at the time I was I bought the espadrille, so I was like, yeah, maybe I'll just buy the bag on my birthday. But here we go. It's still not my birthday, but oh well, this is advanced birthday gift for myself. So let's just, and then I'm just trying to put it together. So if I wear this, I have to wear it like this, or I think this is good, like that. Yeah, so this is really good. Oh, and this part is brown right there, and it's gold details, so there's a touch of brown. So let's try and see how many stuff that can fit in this tiny little bag. I have my phone here inside already. I have the XS Max power bank. Let's see. My spray. It's from the Honey Pot. Gotta have this. My rubbing alcohol, lotion, hand lotion. My hands are really getting dry now for washing my hands. Almost not even 30 minutes, almost like 15 to 20 minutes. My lip balm, my scrunchie, my elf blotting paper, and my key pouch. So it does fit quite a lot, and I think that's it. Oh my god, it fits quite a lot. And I don't really know why the color is blue. I can see blue. So it feels really heavy because of the spray. But yeah, this is the bag. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna wear it like this. Or it's really up to you. Like I said, I'm 5'1", and this length is perfect. And you can still, there's 1, 2, 3, how many holes is in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can, you know, you can adjust it in your preference. So I'm in like in the 5th hole right there, so you can adjust it actually. So like I said, just for your preference, I am again 5'1", and this sling is, I believe, leather. So that's the sling right there. So this is the front of the bag, and the gold details there, which is the T, which is Tory Burch. And yeah, this is the side. This is the zipper right there. It's really easy to zip. Side, I still have to take this out. And the back, hold on. So this is the back of the bag, just plain. The only stripe is this side, which is the front side. So that's it, you guys. If you have questions regarding about this bag, make sure to comment in my description box below. And today is the April 10th, so I already announced my giveaway winners. I didn't announce them, I literally just DM'd them. I asked them for their information so I can send them the money, the $35 US. I have 2 winners on the Philippines and then 1 here, so I think she just sent me her Cash App, so I already sent her the Cash App, and I'm still waiting on the 2 people that I DM, because I believe the time here is different. It's 13 hours difference in the Philippines, so I'm just waiting on them to respond, because if they haven't responded within the 24 hours, I will be going to my laptop again and picking another winner. So anyway, guys, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.